Let us continue with the 23rd question. I was asking you that from all this, you have to select any one or two which you are very much sure of. Now, I feel that mutualism and mycorrhiza you should be very sure of. That mycorrhiza, which is forming a fungus around the plant root system, is a two-way method. So A5 is a very sure thing, and have a look at the options. So here D is the correct answer when you have tried matching all of them. Correct? Competition, only this and this, Balanus and Cathamellus, this you are not sure of. But see, sparrow eating any seed is also predation. This is prey, this is predator. For this type of questions, that is the matching true and false assertion reason, you may take a little bit of more time, but when you are having direct questions, you have to save the time. Read the four statements. Which of the two statements have mistakes? First, transgenic buffalo. It was not a buffalo, it's a cow given in your textbook. So A is wrong, I think. And restriction enzymes are used in isolation of DNA from other macromolecules. Not macromolecules, but from the DNA molecule itself. Downstreaming process is step of this, yes. Disarm pathogen vectors are also used in transfer of the recombinant into the host, yes. So the wrong statements are A and B, A and B. So this is the D is the answer. Now, which one of the following bacteria is used for production of transgenic plants? A very direct question. Agrobacterium tumefaciens. This is the name given in your textbook itself. There should be no confusion. You got to save your time in such type of questions where it is very direct. Only sometimes when it is twisted, you will be spending some time on it. People administered with preform antibodies get passive. Correct? See, innate means you are born with it. It cannot be this. Natural, again you are born with it. Active, once you have been infected. Here, why passive? You are injected with some what we can say, little bit of weak pathogens, and that is the passive immunity. Correct? Again direct question. In an organism, tall phenotype is dominant over dwarf. Okay. T and T is designated. Upon crossing two different individuals, total 250 offsprings were obtained, out of which 124 were tall and the rest were dwarf. It's a mixing, so it cannot be this, it cannot be this. No, it has to be this. Correct? If it is like this, then phenotypically, here all will be phenotypically tall. All are phenotype genotype tall. Here also. But here you will have all phenotype tall, but you cannot say about the genotype in this. You will have to work it out on a page. This is the sequence of a nucleotide on a gene corresponding anticodons. So it is a RNA, so you would be using U. AT, T is replaced by U. U means A N C T G C. A C G. A C G. So this is the answer, first one. Correct? We have checked this one, we have checked this one, and this is matching and this is not matching. So in the first time we cancelled this in this and we concentrated on A and C. While doing that, we saw that this is correct but this is not matching. Correct? You have understood how to do it. The next one, the biomass available for consumption to heterotrophs and the rate of formation of new organic matter by consumers are defined as biomass available for consumption to heterotrophs is the productivity, and the rate of new by consumers is the secondary one. So gross and net, no. Net primary, gross primary, gross, net primary and secondary. So this D is the answer. Okay. Go to the next one. This is from the textbook. If you have done the textbook correctly, which of these genes can act as a selectable marker? So AMP, ampicillin, tetracycline, this ampicillin and tetracycline. Correct? So C is the answer for this. Again a direct. Have you seen that so many direct questions are asked? So whatever 2-3 you find difficult, don't concentrate on them. Whatever is you can do, just go on collecting the easy ones. Correct? The easy ones are many which are directly from the textbook. Concentrate on that. Total number of follicles in the ovaries of a normal young woman is about this many, 4 lakh. Duration between the first time she starts menstruating and it stops is limited. This is due to, see, all this has not occurred in your textbook, but just use that they are arrested at a particular time. And now look at the terminology. Follicular atresia, they are arrested at a particular till puberty stage. Then after 13-14 years of age, they start developing again. So follicular proliferation is increasing. Plasticity means they can take any shape. This is nothing, but it has to be the first one when they are arrested at a particular phase, the development of female follicle.